It's a new age investment tool. It's a modern financial product wherein you can buy bunch of stocks in a single click. To know more about the product, please stay tuned with me till the end of the video. Hi guys, this is Priyanka Karande and I welcome you all to my channel All About Finance. And today we are going to discuss about small case. So small case is a ready-made basket of stocks which is being designed by professionals. And they design this basket by picking stocks from different segments. And they pick this stock based on different ideas, theme or strategy. Based on this idea, theme or strategy, they have again categorized this basket into different variety. So this is a basket where you get stocks from different segment. Also, you can buy this basket of 10 to 20 different stocks within a single click. You need not have to place order for every single stock. You can buy a bunch of stock within a single click. Also, this basket is being designed by professionals. So they analyze the stock, they analyze the market, and based upon their analysis, they create a basket. Now let's try to understand how these stocks are picked or how this basket is designed. See, the world around us is changing rapidly, and behind every change, there is an investing opportunity. We just need to find this opportunity and try to capitalize this opportunity. We need to find the change or we need to observe the change and development around us. For example, we see people are becoming more and more brand conscious. They are trying to buy products of branded companies. So here we can find a investing opportunity. We can capitalize this opportunity. We should invest in companies which are providing branded products. Here, small case provides us the platform to invest in companies which are selling branded products. So in this way, small case helps us to provide a platform based on certain theme or particular idea. So it gives us a specific basket which consists of stocks which are picked based upon some idea or strategy. For example, here we have one case which is known as brand value, under which they have covered all the stocks belonging to branded products. In the same way, we have a basket of dividend stocks or the stocks which are continuously paying out dividends. So, small case provides us the advantage of thematic investing as well as portfolio diversification. That means we are investing into the theme or the ideas which we can see around us, or we can observe the changes around us, and depending upon the changes we can invest into such change and try to convert that change into an opportunity, or we can capitalize this opportunity. Also, it is providing us a portfolio diversification advantage. In a single basket, we are getting different stocks from different segments, hence providing portfolio diversification. Now you must be thinking that this is similar to mutual funds. But let's try to understand the functioning of mutual funds as well as small case. Under mutual fund, your money is indirectly invested in stock market with the help of asset management company. Asset management company on your behalf invests your money in stock market, and in exchange you get units of fund. Whereas in small case, your money is directly invested in stock market and your demat account is credited with stocks of that company. So here you have a clear picture or you get a clear image of where your money is being invested because you hold the share of that company. So you know where your money is being invested. Whereas in mutual funds, You have no idea about where your money is being invested. You don't get a clear picture about your investment. I have tried to figure out some of the differences between mutual fund and small case. Under mutual fund, you have to pay expense ratio. Expense ratio is a fee which is charged by mutual fund company in order to invest your money or in order to manage your funds. Whereas in small case, you have to pay brokerage amount only and only when you transact. This expense ratio in mutual fund is generally between 2 to 2.5%, whereas the brokerage of small case is 0.2% in India. This expense ratio generally consists of the management fee, operational cost, legal expense, etc. And also they are deducted on daily basis, whereas the brokerage fees in case of small case is deducted only when you transact. If you want to redeem your mutual fund before the lock-in period, then you have to pay a penalty in the form of exit load. Mostly the mutual fund have lock-in period of a year. And if you want to redeem your mutual fund before an year, then you have to pay a penalty. So the liquidity of mutual fund is very low. Whereas in small case, if you want to sell your shares, you can do it quickly and redeem your investment. You can get the money quickly credited to your account. When you invest in mutual funds, you have no idea about where your money is being invested. There is no transparent picture in front of you when you invest in mutual funds. Whereas when you invest in small case, you have a clear picture because the shares are credited to your account. So you know you have invested your money in which company. Under mutual fund, you have no control upon your investment. In small case, you can quickly buy the shares or you can quickly sell the shares in which you have invested. Under mutual fund, you receive units of fund, whereas in small case, you receive shares. So mutual fund is like a black box where you can't see what is inside the box. Whereas in small case, you can see where you have invested. That means a small case is like a transparent box in which you can see what is inside the box, where you have invested your money. So this gives us a fair idea about mutual funds and small case. Now let's try to understand the story behind small case. Small Case was founded in the year 2015 by three IIT Kharagpur graduates. They started this to introduce a new generation of investor to the stock market using technology. They are headquartered in Bangalore and now they are a team of finance professionals, engineers and designers from diverse background and skills. So this was all about how they started their operation. Small Case is managed by India's top financial experts who are also SEBI licensed professionals. They have a team of research analysts, investment advisors, and portfolio managers. Research analyst is involved in recommending the stocks for you. They analyze the market, studies the market, and based upon their studies, they design a portfolio for you. Examples of research analysts in this case are HDFC Securities, Axis Direct, Alpha Multiple, and Artha Vruddhi. HDFC Securities and Axis Direct are brokerage house, whereas Alpha Multiple and Artha Vruddhi are individual analysts. Investment advisors are those who gives you advice on your existing portfolio. That means the portfolio which has been designed by the research analyst, they review those portfolio and advise you accordingly. Example of investment advisors in this case are Weekend Investing, Lotus Dew, and Nivesh I. Portfolio managers carries out functions of both research analyst as well as investment advisor. They recommend the stocks or they design the portfolio for you, as well as they advise you on your existing portfolio. Here we have Deepak Shenoy from Capital Mind as a portfolio manager. We also have Anish Teli from Qaid Capital as a portfolio manager. So in this way, our funds are managed by India's top financial experts who are also SEBI licensed professionals. You can invest in small case through different types of brokers. They have tied up with more than 7 brokers. You can choose a small case suitable for you through the platform of these different brokers. They have brokers like 5paisa, Alice Blue, Axis Direct, Edelweiss, HDFC Securities, IIFL Securities, Kotak Securities, Trustline, and Zerodha. This is the only platform which is accessed by so many brokers. I will quickly take you through the small case website. This is how a website of small case looks. Here you can see we have different tabs under which we have a tab for all small cases. Here we can see the collection of all the small cases. If we scroll down, we have a list of small cases and the list is endless. We have n number of small cases. Let's try to open one case and read the idea behind it or read the theme behind it. For example, if I choose this dividend small case, now let's try to understand the idea behind creating this small case. See here what they have mentioned. They have mentioned that this small case consists of companies that have increased their dividend payout consecutively for the last 10 years. So they have designed this small case based on the companies who have increased their payout dividend. So those who want to invest in companies who are giving or paying out dividend regularly, they can invest in this small case. The minimum amount to invest in this small case is 22,107. You just need to buy this small case and invest in this case accordingly. Here they have also mentioned the CAGR which this case is providing. This is the stock and weights tab. Here they have given the bifurcation of the investment or the segments in which they are investing this amount. So here we have paints, FMCG, home financing, FMCG, diversified chemicals, consumer finance, private banks, IT services, software services, oil and gas refineries. They have also mentioned the companies under this different segments and also the weights of the stock which they have designed for their portfolio. See, this is a list of all the stocks which they have chosen for this case. We can also see the diversification, how they have divided their money in large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies. Here we can get the latest updates about the stocks which are mentioned in this case. See, this is the list of updates which are related to the stocks in this case. Here we can also see the performance of this case with respect to Nifty. You can also start SIP with small case. So this was all about the website of small case. As we already discussed that Small case is a ready-made basket of stocks which is designed by professionals. But now, what if the stock is not performing well? So, here in this case, there is a team who is continuously observing the performance of the stocks in particular basket. They review the stock on quarterly basis, and if the stock is not performing well, they remove the stock from that basket, or they try to reshuffle the stocks according to their analysis. So they replace the old stocks with the new one, and thus gives us the advantage of rebalancing. So rebalancing is reshuffling of stocks, or it is removing those stocks from your portfolio or from your basket which are not performing well, and buying or adding those stocks in your basket which are performing well. So there is a dedicated team who is continuously monitoring the performance of your stocks, and based upon their research, they reshuffle or rebalance your portfolio. So this gives us a very good advantage of rebalancing. Let's try to understand the advantages and disadvantages of small case. A small case provide you a diversified portfolio. That means at a single point of time, you are investing in different segments and different companies. So it protects you from the volatility in the market and also lowers your risk. If you buy a small case, you need not have to pay any management fee. You only have to pay a brokerage amount when you transact. This investment is backed by the study of professionals. Here we have a team of financial analysts, financial advisors, and also portfolio managers who are SEBI licensed professionals. Small cases are very liquid instrument. That means you can redeem your investment quickly. Also, they gives you a transparent picture of where your money is being invested. If a company is declaring a dividend, then you also enjoy the benefits of dividends. The dividend is directly credited to your demat account. So this was all about the advantages of small case. If we talk about the disadvantage, as of now, I personally don't feel that there is any such major disadvantage in small case, but you can consider this as a disadvantage, which is expensive block purchase. What do you mean by expensive block purchase? See, when I have shown you the website of small case, the minimum amount which was required for investment in the dividend small case was roughly 21 or 22,000. So if you have 15,000, then you can't invest in that particular small case. You need the minimum amount which is mentioned in that small case to buy a particular basket of stock. So you can say this as a disadvantage, but I don't feel this as a major disadvantage. Let's quickly try to recap what we discussed today. We discussed what is a small case, and we came to know that small case is a ready-made basket of stocks. We also tried to differentiate between the small case and mutual funds. We also saw that the small case is managed by SEBI licensed professionals, and we can invest in small case with the help of more than 7 different types of brokers. We also saw the concept of rebalancing, which means reshuffling of stocks. We also saw the advantages and disadvantages of small case at the end. I hope you have understood what we discussed today. So now at the end, I can say that small case is a modern investment tool in which you are investing based upon your observation and also the changes around you. Small case is good for evolved investor. Evolved investor means those who have already invested in mutual fund and are now willing to invest in stock market. So directly jumping into stock market, they should follow this platform and start investing. If you have any doubts regarding this video, please mention it in the below comment box. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.